So now that we have our wasted image, we just need to add it into the viewport. And the way we do that is by widgets. Widgets is like the user interface you put like in the player so that they can see the information. Okay, so in this case, I want to put the wasted icon. So I'm gonna go here, okay, and what I'm gonna do is to right click and then create user interface. I'm gonna choose widget blueprint, and what this does, in my case, you're not gonna use this ones. Use user widget, okay, and I'm gonna call it w underscore wasted. Okay, so this will be the widgets for our wasted. Let's double click on this, and what you will see here, I will put it in my window here. Okay, what you will see here, it's basically a window where you can just put stuff. For example, you can put an image, you can put a slider. Let's delete this one. You can put a slider, something like that. You can put checkbox, buttons, basically anything that is inside the user interface. In our case, of course, we want the image, but we don't want any size, because if we drag it here, let's say for example, let's drag our image here in our hierarchy, you'll see that we have our image. So if I choose this image here, right here on the right side, you will see that I have my properties. Okay, so I can put my image here. Okay, and I don't want any size, so what I will do is to wrap it with a size box. And what the size box will do is to basically put this thing on the size that I want. In my case, I want here like 400 by 120. So I'm gonna do that. Width override and height override. 400 and 120. As soon as I do that, I should have my size box here. Okay, so let's see. That's my image here. Oh, instead of fill screen, put desired on a screen. Okay, do not put fill screen, just put desired on a screen here, and you will see that this has changed. Without this, like for example, I can replace with child, you will have something like this, which it's basically this number here. Okay, so let's just go back to what we had before. Okay, and what we're gonna do is to basically add it into our Word. Okay, so we're gonna create another blueprint. I'm gonna right click, user interface, widget blueprint, and this time I'm gonna choose user widget, and I'm gonna call it widget blueprint main UI, something like that. Okay, so here I can put whatever I want. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the canvas panel. I can also use an overlay if I want it. I'm just gonna put a canvas panel, which it already has, and now I'm gonna put my widget I created. I can type wasted here, and you will see that I have a wasted button here. Great. Now I can go here and wrap with canvas panel, and now you will see that I have the size of the user interface that I want to have. Okay, so what I will do is to basically put this into the middle, so I can just put the anchor here, okay, in the middle. And now to make sure it's in the middle, I will just put 0 and 0. Okay, I can also put like the alignment in the center, I believe, or something like that. It doesn't matter. So I can just move this thing, basically put it like here. There you go. Okay, so now we have our wasted icon. Let's see how we can add it into our game now.